Hello. So, in today's video, we are going to discuss about the singleton design pattern. If you go for any interview will ask what is singleton design pattern. So, this is very simplest design pattern which is asked in any interview question. So, let's see. So, singleton design pattern is design pattern which allow us to create a single instance of object. Only single instance of object of class can be created. So we'll go through the program. So these are some features of singleton. Singleton can inherit any other class. It can override any other method also. Singleton class can implement any other interface. As we discussed, only single instance of the class can be created. It can be passed to any other method. Object of the singleton class can be passed to any other method. And all methods is not necessary, it should be static. Only one method should be static so that we can call with the help of the class name to create the object. We'll see how. So here we'll create one singleton class. There I have create instance of the class which is set as null. The constructor you can see is private. If constructor is private, you cannot create object of this class outside from any other class. So this is non-static method to show that we can declare any non-static method also inside the singleton class. This is the singleton static method where first we are checking that object is null. If it is null, then only create object, otherwise return the null. So only single instance of the class can be created. So here I am calling the singleton get singleton method, which is static with the help of the class name, which will return the single instance of the class, and we can call the get string method. Get string is one non-static method to show that we can call access any member of the class. I am here passing the parameter, the name, which will print hello, whatever name is passed, Rajesh, hello Rajesh. So let's run this one. So here you can see it is printing hello Rajesh. So single instance of class is created. Now one question comes. Question can be asked how you can make a singleton as a thread shape. So thread shape, you know what thread shape means? This when we are running multiple thread, so for each and every thread there should not be a separate object of the class. But we can make it thread safe by using the locking. There is lock keyword in the .NET. So to lock, we have to create one object. On that object only lock will provide it. So whenever multiple threads are trying to come inside this code block, lock block, so they will check whether this block has this object. If they have the object, they will come inside. It is like token. If you have token, you can come inside, otherwise you have to wait. So at a time only single thread can go inside this one and can create. So multiple thread cannot create, so it will avoid the creation of multiple instances of the class for different threads. So now it is thread safe, so multiple thread cannot go inside. So that's all for this video. Thanks for watching. Let me know if you have any questions. Thank you.